हरि ओम् नमः सर्वेभ्यः संस्कृतप्रथमकक्षार्थं सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्. Hello everyone, welcome you all for the first session of online Sanskrit classes. So this course is designed for the beginners, so those who have very less knowledge in Sanskrit or the people who look forward to learn something new in the language. Basically this course is for the beginners. Ka, ga, gha, nga. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. Ta, tha, da, dha. And similarly Sa, Devi, Ka, Devi, who is Devi or which Devi, both it means both. And Sa, Ka, who is she. And Sa, Vatika, she is garden, it is garden. And you can say Ka, Vatika, which garden. अस्तु, तृतीयकक्षार्थं सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतं. So welcome you all for the third session. Okay, so let's अस्ति, house is in single place. And आपणः एकत्र अस्ति. आपणः means shop, ekatra means single place. Shop exists at single place. So here just to revise, we have couple of new words we learned like atra, tatra, kutra, sarvatra, anyatra. So atra means here, tatra means there, kutra means where, sarvatra everywhere, anyatra other place. Satyabhamayaha patihi Krishnaha. The same way the other way also, like Ramasya patni Sita, Krishnasya patni Satyabhama. So now can you make three sentences each one of you? We more frequently we use while conversing.
All participants are
so we will be using more frequently these kriya padas like gacchati means going, agacchati means coming, patati means reading, padati means falling, kridati means playing, vadati means telling, pibati means drinking, likhati means writing. Etaha tarunyaha. And ka balika, who is girl, and kaha balikaha, who are all girls. So ka will be singular and kaha will be plural. So here only thing to observe here is the words which end with E in the Strilinga, they will have little different. Otherwise you can directly use a long vowel at the end and we can put visarga after that. Okay. And the Napumsakalingam, the neuter words like tat palam, the plural form of that will be tani palani. Pita grihe asti, asandaha grihe asti. So mother is at home, father is at home, and chair is at home. Balakaha grihe kridati, boy plays at house. And aham grihe asmi, I am at home. Vayam grihe patamaha, we read at home. Balika grihe khadati, she eats at home. And bhavan grihe milati, you meet at home. And bhavantaha grihe gayanti, you all sing at home. So here grihe gives a meaning of location, like at home it gives a meaning. So here griham गृहे, पुस्तकं पुस्तके. So I think this clarifies, this gives enough of examples using these words. Any questions on these topics? The next, नदी, नदीतः, पुत्रः नदीतः आगच्छति. He comes from river. माता नदीतः आगच्छति. Mata comes from river. And प्रदर्शिनी, प्रदर्शिनीतः. सीता प्रदर्शिनीतः गच्छति. Sita goes from exhibition. And चित्रमन्दिरं, चित्रमन्दिरतः. बालकः चित्रमन्दिरतः गच्छति. नमः सर्वेभ्यः. नवमी कक्षार्थं सर्वेभ्यः स्वागतम्. Welcome you all for the 9th session on online Sanskrit classes. Before we get started, I just wanted to do a small revision on the previous session, that is day 8. So the couple of things which we have seen in the last session was kutra gacchati. It means you can ask bhavan kutra gacchati, balakaha kutra gacchati. So it means where do you go, or where does the boy go. The answers for these will be bhavan kutra gacchati and bhavan vidyalayam gacchati, bhavan karyalayam gacchati, balakaha devalayam gacchati, ramaha griham gacchati, mata vatikam gacchati. So the thing to note here is all the words will end with im. Chatram nayami. Rain is, there is a rain, and I am carrying the umbrella. Yadi vrishtihi asti tarhi chatram nayami. If there is a rain, then I will carry umbrella. So it is, if you see, all these scenarios are if and then. If particular action happens, then the other particular action happens. So basically if and then. Yadi pariksha asti aham shigram vidyalayam